Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to transfer coins from Etoro to Binance. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, first just simply open the Etoro Money application and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply tap on the crypto icon, and from there just simply select the cryptocurrency that you want to send, and from there, guys, just simply tap send and enter the amount, and make sure you have the right recipient public address. So this will be your Binance wallet. So make sure you have the right address, guys. And after that, just simply tap send again. And from there, guys, a verification code will be sent to your phone number, and from there just simply provide the code and just simply verify the transaction. And after that, just simply tap on verify, and from there just simply check the status of your request in the transaction screen. Guys, remember that CFD positions and crypto held in copies are not eligible for transfers. And guys, remember that crypto trading restrictions apply in NY, NVHI, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Island. So guys, pretty much the transfer fee will be dynamic, ranging from $1 to 2% of the transaction size. So pretty much it will be depending on the transaction. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching. See ya.